Hey, welcome to the BudgetEase broadcast. Navigating the murky waters of business expenses versus personal expenses can be tricky. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a nonprofit, understanding what qualifies as a business expense is crucial for effective bookkeeping. Business expenses are costs incurred in the course of running your business. For example, office supplies like pens, paper, and printer ink are essential for daily operations. Travel expenses, such as flights, hotels, and meals while on a business trip, are also considered business expenses. Software like QuickBooks for bookkeeping and marketing costs, including ads, website hosting, and business cards, are vital for maintaining and promoting your business. Personal expenses, on the other hand, are costs that are not related to your business operation. Groceries for your weekly shopping list, personal travel like weekend getaways, and clothing that is not branded apparel for uniforms or for business are all considered personal expenses. These should not be mixed with your business finances. Some expenses can straddle the line between business and personal. For example, if you work from home, you can expense a portion of your rent or mortgage, but only for the dedicated workspace. Similarly, if you use your car for business, you can expense mileage for a portion of the maintenance costs, but detailed records are essential to avoid any mix-ups. Separating business and personal finances is crucial for clarity and accuracy in bookkeeping. It helps to prevent red flags with tax authorities, reducing the amount or the risk of audits. Maintaining distinct accounts demonstrates professionalism, and you can enhance your credibility with clients, investors, and lenders. We do see some wild things when it comes to business expenses. For instance, one person may try to write off their personal grooming, insisting that it's essential for maintaining a professional image. Another may want to write off his transportation to or from the office in an attempt to deduct that cost. Or sometimes we see a deduction for a family vacation to a tropical paradise, arguing that the realization was crucial for their productivity and creativity. While these claims are certainly imaginative, it's important to be honest about what truly qualifies as a business expense. Keeping things clear and accurate helps everyone in the long run. Keep business and personal expenses separate to save headaches and stay organized. I hope you found this helpful. And if you need a bookkeeper to partner with on your business, contact us today. Hey, thanks for joining us at the BudgetEase broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one.